One of my favorite products that we have is our triangle iron. It gets really, really hot and it uses steam, and it really gets those seams or anything that you're trying to press open, plus it will get your material nice and flat. So this is the triangle iron, has steam to it. As you can see, the steam coming off, it remains nice and hot, and it comes with a little place where you can set your iron in there. But the other thing that I want to discuss, a lot of times we try to put our fingers in there, and I don't know about you, but there's been several occasions where I've burnt the fingertips trying to get too close. So one of the things that we developed is our Iron Buddy set. And notice there's 6 pieces here, and there's multiple tips on there. The main feature about this, and this nobody has this that I'm aware of, is the silicone tips. So what that does, it allows me to place pressure, and it's flexible right there. So when I'm trying to press something, I get my iron nice and hot and not ever have to worry about I can set the iron right on the silicone. Let's do it on this side so you can see. We're gonna take this, we're gonna set this down. I do it like doing it sideways, especially for the camera right here. I can take that down and I can just get it started, get those seams nice and open, and then I'm just gonna follow it up just like so and get it nice and hot. And as you can see, those seams are gonna be nice and open. Now, one of the fantastic features about the 6 pieces that we have here is if you're doing small projects, small applique. I was doing a little project one time where I had little itty bitty leaves coming off a pumpkin during the fall time, and I was able to use one of my smaller tips that's very flexible to be able to hold that fabric down, place that pressing iron right on top of that tip, and then continue moving that iron forward or backwards, whatever direction. So these are a 6-piece Iron Buddy set, and as you can see, you know, you always want a place where you have access to your tools. So we put those tools in the tool caddy, and you can put all 6 pieces in there, and then you just take the size that you need for the application that you're using, and you can just set that right down, open that seam or hold that fabric down. Even if you're using sizing, put that iron right on that tip and then continue the pressing. So this is a perfect bundle if you're doing any kind of applique or any kind of seam opening at all. And the last part of this bundle that I'm going to show you is our tweezers, or our snippets. And one thing I love about them is they're very sharp, but they're spring loaded. So you don't have to constantly open and close. You just get to that thread, wherever that thread is, and you can just take it and you can just do it. And it works so very easily, and they're very sharp. It comes with the protective tip, so you never have to worry about them getting ruined. Another huge feature that we're gonna have with these snippets, if you noticed, it has a curved blade. That allows you to get very close without cutting the things that you don't want and allowing you to cut the things that you do want. So being able to have that curved blade that's really sharp lets you get into those places a lot closer than what you typically would be able to get. There's another great added feature and benefit to the Iron Buddy. If you're working with crystals or you're doing embellishments or anything of that nature, they can get typically very hot, and a lot of times they're very small. So take the proper tool for the proper size, and you can hold that crystal down and not worry about that moving locations when you don't want it to move, because we know we always fight with that. So that's one of the great features of the iron tools, is it's being able to hold those things down and not have to get your fingers, but you can still hold them in place. So another great application for the Iron Buddies. But this is a fantastic bundle for anybody that does any kind of pressing, and you have every tool that you need to help you accomplish said project.